वेलकम गाइस, आप सभी का जैज़टेक में फिर से स्वागत है। मैं सौरभ जायसवाल लेके आया हूँ जैज़टेक का एक और नया एपिसोड। आज हम वापस से लेकर आए हैं एक अनबॉक्सिंग वीडियो। तो जो आज हम अनबॉक्स करने वाले वो है कॉर्सर की गेमिंग हेडसेट, दैट इज HS50। पहले तो आप सब्सक्राइब करिए, आप लोग सब्सक्राइब नहीं करते तो दिल को बहुत दुख पहुंचती है, तो फटाफट सब्सक्राइब करें और बेल आइकन दबा दें। तो चलिए हम लोग सीधा अब आते हैं वीडियो पे।
So this is the Corsair HS50 stereo gaming headset from the top. You can see Corsair, it's compatible with PC, Mac, PlayStation, Xbox One. It may require Microsoft adapter sold separately and mobile devices. Here are the main basic features: plush memory foam, ear pads, premium build quality and durability, precision tuned 50mm audio drivers. And on the left we have same thing. On the right we have the image of the headset. And in the back we have some detailed information: premium build quality, Discord certified, premium gaming audio, on-ear control and crystal clear microphone. We have technical specifications on 4 different languages. We will mention that on the video description down below. So let's unbox this. It's already broken, so leave it as please. We will take it out. So here we have our headset along with some many different things inside it. Let's check that as well. So we get a warranty guide. Here we have our microphone and headphone splitter. Yeah, it's a splitter. You can split your headphones to plug into your PC. I think it's a single headphone jack only. This is your headset and this is your headphone splitter for using into your PC. And this is an box entrance, and do not eat this. So here I have our headphone. This is black colored. There are 3 to 4 colors available. It's inside. It's too tight. Okay. So they have kept it in place using test twice. That's why I was not able to remove it from the box. Now it should come out freely. So here is our headset. It's metallic green color and it can see some don't know, white spots on this. To check why it's like there. And you can see the Corsair logo on top. This frame is, I think, of plastic, but this is made out of metal. We'll have a detailed review afterwards. This is just an unboxing overview. Here we have the volume control, mic on off toggle, and I think so. Just to stop, I think it's an additional feature, I think, for Bluetooth. I think they have one more model which features Bluetooth, and it's made of entirely the same model, which is just a Bluetooth version. So for the non-Bluetooth version, they have plugged it with a rubber stamp.
तो ये था हमारा Corsair HS50 की अनबॉक्सिंग। अगर आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आया तो प्लीज़ उसे लाइक करें। इंस्टाग्राम में गिव अवे चल रहा है, उसे जाके चेकआउट करें। हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलें, और हम फिर से मिलते हैं आपसे अगले हफ्ते एक और नए एपिसोड के संग। तब तक के लिए गुड बाय, शब्बा खैर।